Hi guys, I'm back with a dip powder mani. So this bag is Sparkling Co's March 2022 subscription bag for $29.99. It is the dip powder subscription. So I'm a little behind, and I promised that I would promise myself that I was going to use the items that I get in subscription bags. This year. That's one of my goals. So in this bag, it was about plants, based on plants. And so you have some cute plant confetti there. You have a nice little cute sticker. And then the extra item that you received, or that I received in this bag, I think it was, well, I'll see it in a minute. Lord, what was it? I can't get the package open, but it was Solidify, which is activated, which hardens the dip powder. So this sub bag came with four beautiful colors. I just say they were beautiful. The first color is a kind of peachy pink. It is Terracotta Decor dip powder. The other one is Plant Mama Nice Beautiful Glitter. And then this one is Bloom. There it is. It kind of reminded me after I put it on like Fred Flintstone. And then the other one is a Temperature Changer Cute Lint. So guys, again, this is the March 22 sub bag. I purchased the $29.99. I'm not paying almost $100 for the I Want It All. Plus, how many times you're really going to use these dip powders, especially if you're doing YouTube now. I did apply 2 coats of Sparkling Co Peel Off Base Coat. Worked well. It came off the next day. And I will be using Sparkling Co's Low Odor Dip Liquid base as well. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this application. So guys, I must say the colors in this sub bag I thought were really they were nice and neutral, perfect for spring. I would probably wear these in the summertime year round. I don't discriminate but against the colors on my nails. But I do try to stick with the season, not try. But it's not always the case. So this color, again, when I first opened it, I didn't pay the swatch stick any attention to notice that it was a temp changing. So I was like, why is this turning light? But y'all, it's a temp changer, and it was a nice temp changer. So I just wanted to chime in and say that. And I am using a precision tool from Paramount Dips, which is a shop on Etsy, to clean up excess dip powder before going in with the second coat. After I brush off excess dip powder on my flat colors, I'm going to go in and activate with Sparkling Co's regular activator, which they call it Solidify. And that's just because the next color is a glitter color, and I don't want to get any of that glitter on my flat color because it's hard to get off if you don't activate the nails. Once you activate, if you get glitter on the nails, it easily wipes off or brushes off the nail. After the second coat, I went in off camera and applied the foil pieces that were in there. I applied them to both my thumbnail and my middle finger off camera. It took a while because I had to get them out of the dip powder, which I end up pouring it in the cupcake liner and shaking it. That way the foil pieces come to the top of the dip powder in the cupcake liner. So I did that off camera, and I must say I didn't like the color. I liked it on the swatch stick, but I didn't like it on my nail. And so I went in and used Sparkling Clothes Clear and apply that to those glitter nails off camera, and it's a nice clear. And on my brush there was glitter because low odor dip liquids take a while to dry, and I just go in with a file and kind of run along the top of that brush, and it gets the glitter right on off, because of course the glitter has the base on there, so it won't ruin your brush. So this is after filing and buffing, and guys, I use the other color on my other hand, in which I like my left hand better than my right hand. So I'm going in with these fashion nail decals, and y'all, I don't remember if I got them off Etsy or Pachi Nail Designs website, but the colors were perfect for this set, or this subscription bag, the colors in this subscription bag. So I cut those out and spray them with water, and then I am going to let those soak for about maybe 15 to 20 seconds. And so I like to use my tattoo towel because it's absorbent, and I'm going to apply Maniology sticky base coat to my nails. And after I apply that, I wait about maybe 15 to 30 seconds to allow that to become tacky, and I'm then going to use my stamper, I do believe, and apply those to my nail. I'm going in and applying Young Nails Ultimate Finish Gel. It does require UV or LED lamp to cure. Nice shine, but y'all know I do not like the smell of it. Again, I am sensitive to smells, and this smells like a bologna meat burp. I've said that multiple times. It's just me. I had surgery like in 2008, and y'all, ever since I woke up from that surgery, I smell everything. It's weird, but it's just weird, but it drives my husband crazy, but I can't help it. So guys, I'm applying that. It has a very nice shine, and I'm going to cure. And once my nails cool off from being in the lamp, you'll notice the change in the green color on my nails. It's much lighter, and it goes well with the water decal. And then again, as I was mentioning, once they cool off, I'm going to go in and apply my favorite cuticle oil. So guys, look how pretty that color change is. I thought it was fabulous. Just me personally, I thought it was great. I like that light kind of mint green color. I wish they could have stayed. I wish that was just the normal color, that light color. But anyway, so guys, as I mentioned before, you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil. Again, I did prefer my left hand over my right hand. I just didn't like that glitter color for some reason. I don't know, but y'all know how I get. Anyway, like this video if you found value. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this set, and actually, do you subscribe to Sparkling Co's subscription bag? And then most importantly, subscribe to my channel. It is free, and I would appreciate it. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week.